Guys, this is Shazad and you're watching Shazad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash app is not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update in 2024. Here you can see that Cash app is not working. Please try again later. So in this video, I will tell you how to fix it. There is many solutions to fix this problem. So first of all, you can open the settings here. Here you can see the network connection. If you have connected with Wi-Fi, just simply tap on Wi-Fi and here you can see the turn the toggle off, and after 10 to 15 seconds turn it on back and go back. Here you can see airplane mode, just simply turn it on and after 10 to 15 seconds turn it off back to fix your network connection and try to open your Cash app. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another solution is check the software update. So just simply tap on the settings. Here you can see general and software update. Tap on it, wait for a few seconds. If you have any pending update, just simply download and install it to fix your problem. Go back. If this solution is not working, then we move to another is update the Cash app. So just simply open the app store, search here Cash app, wait for a few seconds. So open the Cash app. Here you can see if you have any update, just simply update it and open it to fix your problem. If this solution is also not working, then we move to another is go to settings. Here again go to general and here you can see the iPhone storage. Just simply tap on it, tap on Cash app. Here you can see offload app. Just simply tap on offload app and then reinstall it to fix this problem. If this solution is not working, then we simply delete a app and then again install it to fix your problem. So if all this solution is not working, then we simply force restart our iPhone. So just simply press the volume up button, volume down button and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appear, and then release the power button to force restart your iPhone and fix your problem. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. Thanks for watching.